Hello, let me introduce myself. My full name is Merlinda Kemumu. You can call me Linda. I am a student at Polytechnic Obajo Komodus, third semester and hospitality management. In this video, I would like to explain about the Cunca Rami waterfall. So, let's watch my video. Cunca Rami waterfall. Cunca Rami is an interesting tourist destination that is different for its other tourist attractions in Labuan Bajo. Precisely in the bleeding tropical forest area of Rui Village, Welalos Village, Sandonguan District, West Manggarai Regency, it's Nusa Tenggara. If you depart from Labuan Bajo Airport, the road to Cunca Rami waterfall will take about 1 hour trip. The road taken has been paved so it's easy to pass. Cunca Rami comes from the word Cunca, which means waterfall, while Rami, which means forest. So it can be concluded that the meaning of the name this waterfall is a waterfall that is located in the forest. This waterfall also has a height of approximately 100 meters, and underneath there is a natural pool with water that is turquoise green. Cunca Rami waterfall is becoming increasingly popular among tourists because it has a tempting water discharge, also very clear and clean. Coupled with the decoration of natural scenery in the form of tropical forests and mountains, the atmosphere at this tourist spot is so reassuring. In addition, air in Cunca Rami waterfall is also very fresh because there are many trees that naturally grow in the forest. The water in this natural pool is also free of chlorine, so it's very safe for swimming activities. The water is cold and refreshing enough to accompany the excitement of diving. Another attraction in the tourist area of Cunca Rami waterfall is the beauty of the rainbow that appears under the waterfall. The rainbow is the result of the reflection of sunlight on the surface of a waterfall. Visitors can see the sight depending on their luck because not every day the beauty of the rainbow appears. There we can also do trekking activities to the location of the waterfall, which usually takes about 45 minutes. During the trip, the tourists will be treated to a variety of pets. The visitors will pass our forest area of community trees and candlenut trees. In addition, there are also other agriculture vehicles such as coconut, pineapple, and vanilla.